Errors means syntax errors are there. Link errors. Syntax error. Syntax error. Syntax error means the compile time error are known as syntax error. The compile time error is known as syntax error. And link error. Link errors are predefined function. Means if you are writing anything wrong in the program or invalid data, means they are getting those error. These error will occur at the time of execution. Sorry, so said something wrong. Link error means predefined functions. These error will occur at the time of execution. Hold a second. Syntax error means the compile time error are known as syntax error. Link error. These are the definition. Please note it down. Errors are in predefined function. Means those errors will occur at the time of execution. Means while we are writing we are getting the output, those errors we are getting those known as link errors. Time errors means these errors will occur due to invalid input and for bad programming. If you are writing a bad programming that is not good, means we are getting runtime errors. Okay, and you can note it down also .obj file. This is very important questions. Okay, you can note it down. It is interview point of important questions. This file containing the program instruction in machine language known as .obj file. The file contains the program instruction in machine language that known as obj file. And we are going to further. Variable means we are having two variables like data type, variable name. Means it is a data name or memory location name. It is used to store the data value. It is used to store data value. The name itself contains the variable. Variable means it changes the value. It's like integer type, variable name, data type. Okay. It should begin with alphabet or hash. It should not be a keyword. Got it? And similarly we are having a constant means a constant value. It's a fixed value. It does not allow to change the value. There are two types of constants out there. One is numeric, second one is characteristic constant. Okay, numerics are in numerics again there are two types. One is integer, second one is float. Okay, in characteristics constant we are having a single characteristic constant or string. String means we are using double quotes. Single means single character is there. Okay, constant means it's a constant value. You can't able to modify those things. Okay, I'm going to say about how to write a basic C program. There are some conditions and rules are there. First of all, while we are writing C program means we have to include hash, include studio.h, and hash include conio.h, and main, and opening bracelet. These are also called flowering bracelets. Okay, you can buy out this one. Hash include studio.h, conio.h, main. All these one have to buy out. And class CLR, SCR class. And every C program with end with semicolon. Don't forget that one. If you are not mentioning the semicolon means you are getting the error. Okay, you are getting the error. Then printf. We had printf means printf. Why we are using means to display the program. We are using the printf for in. And for every C program we are using this one, printf, and opening brace /n. N means number of characters. I'm saying to you number of definitions. Welcome to C program. For we are writing this program here, right? We have to write all this one in double string, means double quotes starting to ending, and we have to end the program with semicolon. Means printf function is used to display the data in the system. Okay, you can note it down. And printf, this is my first C program, semicolon, and we have to close the brackets. Okay, because we are opening this one and we are closing this one. These are the main things for the C program, and I'm writing the names here for this brackets names. And what we are saying in C program, hash means preposer is the name system name. Include means a directory. Okay, studio.h means it is library file. Library file. Studio.h, Conio.h, all those are library files. Okay, you can note one thing. You have to by heart this one. Means this for every C program we have to write hash include studio.h, Conio.h, main opening brace class and opening brace and ending brace. Within this one we can write our program and edit that program what we are writing this one. Okay, for each and everything we are using printf, scanf. Printf is used to display the data and scanf to write the program, means to write the output or some calculations or the data is there. Okay, we can note it down. And here second program is there. Write a program to find the sum of the integers number. To find the sum of two integers number. As I said, I am writing that has include studio.h, conio.h, main. These are those steps are common for every C program. Okay, and here integer means is nothing but we are describing the integer int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, and a b data will be stored in C because these two are integers, so C is also integer, so int C. So C equal to a plus b. C is having the data of a plus b. Okay, and we are displaying this data. So printf, pf is nothing but printf. I am writing here shortcut key. You can in the system you can write the print f. Okay, and opening braces in double quotes /n sum of the integers. Okay, equal to percentage d and double quotes c. C means we can get the output. So we are writing C and close the brackets and close this curly brackets. And every C program should end with semicolon. For every C program should end with semicolon. Note it down. If I am not mentioning C program is you are getting the error at time of execution. Okay. Yes. A similar program only. I'm here writing this one. I'm not writing here studio.h. You can write in the system because it's a shortcut. I'm writing the shortcut. I'm writing only the body of the program. I have to mention the hash include studio.h, conio.h, main cluster. Okay, and here same for the program for two integers number and find the sum and display. So integers means we are having three integers. For two integers, integer a comma b comma c colon class printf, and there are two integers numbers. Okay, scanf, scan 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 f. We have to display that one in double quotes %d because two %d, because these two %d's are because here two integers mentioned. So how many integers has mentioned? We have to mention that d and comma ampersand a comma ampersand b. Address, we are mentioning the address of ampersand a ampersand b. If we are writing this one or non writing this one, we can here look in the previous program I am not writing the scanf, but we are getting the output. Without writing scanf or writing scanf we are getting the output, but it is good to writing the scanf for big and heavy program. This is a small program, so I am saying to you C equal to a plus b, and again printf means we need the sum also. We have to display the integers and we have to display the sum. So /n sum equal to %d comma we need those value in which here c equal to a plus b, so we are writing here c. Okay, those are the C programs. I told you about the basics how to write the C program. Okay, don't forget you can write the printf full form and scanf also. I'm writing here shortcut key because this is my old notes. I prepared this one to my first batch when I was teaching to our first batch as a trainer. I prepared these notes. And because it's a quick revision notes, means we at a time we are going to any interviews where we want to revision, means we are quickly revision this one, we will go stop reading the books having lot of things, we can't read all those stuffs, right? So okay, here I'm saying about the looping statements. We are having lot of looping statements like while loop, do while loop, means we are writing while condition, what condition we require, a equal to b, b equal to c or less than, and opening braces and write those statements and close that one. Okay, if this one is true, if this one is false, means a set of statements that is repeated, which is repeated one. Okay, similarly do while loop. Do, we write the statements and close the brackets and while condition. If the condition false means this one, true means this one. Okay, at least one execute, you have to execute one thing. Okay, one program, one output should be there. For loop means having lot of conditions are there. For initialization condition, increment, increasing, decreasing order, condition writing. Instead the loop, instead of brackets, inside, not instead, inside the brackets we are writing the condition. If the true means we are going the again, true means okay. If false means we are repeating this condition. Okay, in for loop means we are having lot of conditions are there. Okay, it's a basic structure. It's one type of basic structure I explain you. In real time we are using the do while loop, and the for loop also we are using, but for limited condition. Okay, here some of the example I written. I haven't mentioned here like hash include, studio.h, conio.h, all those one here, because it is for brief revision. Okay, in while you are writing the real time, you have to mention that studio.h, conio.h, all those one conditions. May opening here what program to print the numbers from 1 to 10. So we are using main, opening brace, integer I, we are declaring those integers I. So class integer I, while condition, while I is because of 1 to 10, so while I is equal to or less than 10, we are writing the opening. These conditions are normal, I am not explaining each and every time, you can understand this one. Okay, printf's in printf, opening brace and percentage d slash, and slash means n means nothing but integer, and I means integer value have to display in the output. So printf we always use for displaying the data. I plus plus because I equal to 1. Again when I equal to 2 means you have to mention I plus plus. If I equal to 1, I plus plus equal to 2. 2 plus plus equal to 3. It's repeated up to until the I value comes up to 10. 10 equal to 10 means stop. The program will stop. Okay. Gauge. And I forgot to say something. In the end you have to mention gauge. Closing brackets and closing this one. In C program you can also mention this one. Mention it or not, we will get that word, but it is good to mention all this one. Okay. Similarly I am writing the for loop also and do while also. Okay. While you are preparing going for any interview means verify these notes. It's very helpful. Look, if you need the sum in C now, if you need anything means we have to write the formula first of all. Like I'm needing the sum of the given integers means formula what sum of the given integers n of n plus 1 by 2. Write the formula for, because here the sum in sum we are asking the division of two numbers or n numbers. So first of all you have to write in your side formula, then you can write the program. It is very easy to write the program. Okay, it's to find the sum of the natural numbers. So natural number for integer n, we are declaring the integers n, sum equal to 0, like we are writing this one. Okay, just I'm explaining to just I'm saying about this one to explain all those one, because it is calculate the mathematical value also. Okay, and moving ahead, array, what is array? It's a group of similar type of variables. Okay, it's a similar type of variables, it's a group values, those not array, like a of 1, a of 2, starting from a of 0, a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, so on, unlimited one, means a group of values is known as array. Okay, it's having like three types: single dimensional array, two dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. Okay, single dimensional array means any array name contains only one dimension, known as single dimensional array. Okay, means like a of 5 means 2 into 5. Moving ahead, we are writing the array like a of 0 equal to 1. a of 1 equal to 2. We are writing the values of the arrays. Okay, like here we are writing a single wise, like a of 0 equal to 1, or we are writing a of something equal to array 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is valid one. Okay, or a of 10 equal to 1 2 3 4, like this we are writing. Otherwise we are writing a of 0 equal to 1, a of 1 equal to 2. We can write like this also. Got it? Look, a of 0 equal to 1, a of 1 equal to 10. Like we are having the values, we are writing like this, or we are writing from like this 1 10 up to so on. Got it? This is known as array. Array must contain some value. Coming forward, I am writing the one program to get the integers and stored in one array and displayed at one. Writing the program, main thing is that body. Body what we are writing? We are declaring those array integer a of 10. We are having the 10 values. So integer a of 10. We are mentioning 10. I. Look, we are writing here for loop for I equal to 0. So I is less than or equal to 10. I plus plus, because 0 the value is increasing. 0 plus means 1, 1 plus means 2. Anything we are getting place after decimal means we are increasing those value by 1. Okay, scanf to do, we are writing a program. Percentage d, all those we have to by heart. This one percentage d, percentage n, scanf. It is not necessary. If you write also, no, it will get the output. Scanf percentage d, address of array address, printf, given elements, write that one. And for loop, I equal to 0, I is less than equal to 10, I plus plus. We have to close this one with semicolon. We have to display those outputs. So we are writing the printf percentage d slash n and array a of I and end of program. For every C program, we have to end with semicolon. Got it? Uh, Please subscribe my channel. The button is there on the right hand side. Click on the subscribe button and you can share the video as possible as it is. And